Speaker became world famous as a cricketer. He captained the Pakistan cricket team for 10 years, longer than any other Pakistani captain. Since then, he's become a politician, the founder and the leader of Pakistan's Movement for Justice party. Accused of being pro-Taliban for speaking out against the military operation in Pakistan, he's denied that charge. But he has insisted that Pakistan will never contain extremism while American troops remain across the border in Afghanistan. Hatred of America, he said, is much more than of the Taliban. Ladies and gentlemen, Imran Khan.
Thank you. Well, Pakistan was introduced as the most volatile, dangerous place in the world. But no Pakistani was involved in 9/11. There were no militant Taliban in Pakistan. Osama bin Laden, trained by the CIA, was in Afghanistan. So how has this happened? Why is Pakistan today the most dangerous place? In my opinion, it's the military operations that created Taliban. But how long is the army going to keep bombing its own people? And how long is this going to go on? And why will there not be a reaction within the army? 3 times there have been, once there was a coup against an assassination attempt against Musharraf. Once there was an attack within the GHQ, and then there was another attack near the GHQ in which a lot of Pakistani generals died. All 3 were inside jobs, from the low ranks. And the longer these operations continue, I'm afraid there's going to be no end to this militancy. From the Western point of view, people here must understand that your danger is not, the streets of Britain are not going to be safe because there's this action going on against the Taliban in Pakistan and Afghanistan. The danger is the radicalization of Muslim youth in the Western countries. The more you have the slaughtering that is going on,